Camp Notre Dame. Ba-da-bop. Hi, my name is Wimbley, and today I am going to ask the audience how bingo went. Alright, who do we get to pick on?
He's acting like it was the cue ball.
How was bingo today?
I didn't get invited to play bingo.
Yeah, you better strike up another game.
Yeah, you're right.
Austin didn't invite me, and I cried half the night because I didn't get invited, and then I just said, boo.
We'll play another one. We'll play one.
How was bingo today?
I enjoyed bingo, but I didn't win. The new guy won.
How was bingo today?
I think I remember all my numbers.
How was bingo today? I'm going to tell you how bingo today was.
How was bingo today?
Yeah, the guy, camera's over here. The guy calling the numbers was the worst.
Who was that?
I don't know. Some nutcracker. He looked out of his shirt.
I love that shirt.
He looked at his shirt.
Selfie video coming up.
I'm getting the light. That's why he said it. From my nutcracker shirt.
I like Todd's shirt.
Did you play bingo today?
I did not, sir.
Did you see?
Okay.
Did you see Todd's shirt? Big dog beers. I only had one. Did you see Todd's shirt?
I did. I like that.
Did you play bingo
I
today?
didn't get a chance. I was busy cooking.
Okay.
Sorry. I like bingo.
But there's another cook in the house. He's up next.
Oh, okay.
I heard you played bingo today. How was the game?
I did, but they did not call all of my numbers. I think they need to wash the balls.
That nutcracker's the worst.
The new guy would disagree. I thought the numbers were perfect.
Yeah, what'd you win?
6 Sour Patch Kids.
Oh yeah, you gotta go and ask them to buy.
I heard you won bingo today. What did you win?
Well, as a matter of fact, I did. I won 6 Sour Patch Kids, and I had a wonderful time. Thank you.
6 months from now, you're going to be watching it, and he's going to be like, who is this guy? Who's he related?
We will get one more later, but for now, that is it. Hello, I am the chef of Camp Notre Dame. And I heard people had my spaghetti tonight. Let's see how it was. Did you eat my spaghetti today? Did you eat my spaghetti today? I heard you ate my spaghetti today. How was it?
It was delicious.
Do you want more of my spaghetti? I heard you really liked my spaghetti today.
I did, Captain. It was excellent.
So let's get locked up when we go to bed.
How did everyone like my spaghetti?
I think your spaghetti was wonderful.
What's that stick do?
What is the stick?
That's to move his arm.
Oh, to move his arm.
When you're not videotaping.
Your body's
Yeah.
getting GoPro so it doesn't
If
have to use this.
No, if I had my tripod out, I could do that.
Oh, man. Hey, Cole.
How was my spaghetti today?
Oh, very good.
Did you eat my spaghetti today?
I did happen to eat a big giant plate, and it was fabulous, perfectly al dente. It must have been the good cook.
Like this one?
That's
The
right.
official chef of Camp Notre Dame?
Chef Boyardee it is, huh?
Yeah.
I heard people really liked my spaghetti. And thank you for all the positive comments. I was not in use today, so that is good. unless I needed to clear snow out.
Oh my God, we're gonna go over this again? My God.
How much snow did we have to clear out today?
I'm not sure. Maybe a foot.
A foot? I haven't even looked outside, but I heard there was a lot of snow.
And the hot dog buns I got at Aldi. I got the buns for the ham barbecue.
I know, because they don't sell those.
Who agrees that there was a lot of snow today?
I could have got him there.
There was a lot of snow.
Yeah, she did send me an email, and I showed it to CJ. I go, CJ, look at this. Look what Aunt Lori does for her.
There was a lot of snow today. Is this a puppet show, or is this a puppet interview? I don't know. Does anyone else need another game of bingo?
Bring it on.
Yes.
What are the stakes? What are we winning?
7 Sour Patch Kids.
How was bingo today?
Bingo sucked.
You and PP.
Why?
I didn't get any numbers called. It was terrible. I had 2 numbers the whole game. Bingo was terrible.
Slaughter, yeah.
Do you wish for another game?
Maybe sometime.
Yeah.
Shh, I'm going to spy on the kids.
Your kid wants to leave. He was banging on the door. You're scared at the door. He was like, and TJ's like, okay, we're not leaving until tomorrow morning. So what you have to do is you turn around and walk with it. No, that you turn around and you enjoy the plot.
Hi.
I met him.
Hey, people, I want to ask you a quick question. What number do you call if you run, if none of your numbers are called in bingo?
Free space.
You call 911. The complicated number is 911.
So that's an emergency, huh? If our bingo number's not called, it's an emergency.
Exactly. Did you hear that, folks? 911. And don't ask what the number is again.
What's that number?
911.
Got it.
No, I didn't. I heard that we all had a Camp Notre Dame pet. Woof, 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 woof.
What's his name?
Didn't somebody bring a dog over here before?
One time we did. I was telling it or somebody, and it was just overnight. They were really unhappy.
All right, I'm about to do the final puppet. All right, I'm about to do the final puppet. Now, I don't normally play this one, so Gabby may be better than me at this since her and Elena aren't here this year. So I am going to try to do it. I'm not going to be as good as her, I know that. Gabby, I'm not going to be as good as Gabby, I know that. But I am going to try. Hi, I am the Purple People Eater. I heard you. I heard you had a fun day sled riding. Did you?
I can't breathe anymore. It knocked the wind out of me. I had a blast.
You feel better too.
I was like, better.
Did anyone else go sled riding today?
Right here, Mr. Aaron.
How was your time sled riding?
I felt like I was in a barrel going over the falls.
I heard the track was bumpy in some areas.
Oh, absolutely.
He was the slowest fall off. It's like halfway, then roll.
I wasn't too far forward. I needed to be back.
You blame the sled.
And that is it.
Cole.